Pixel 8 Pro has a temperature sensor, and as you probably are aware, it's not necessarily the greatest thing in the world. Sometimes it can give you some accurate information, but I'm going to test it in this video, and we're going to test it against an actual infrared thermometer, used for diagnosing and actually telling you what your body's temperature is, and we're going to test it against a laser-based thermometer that you can use as a tool as well. So it's going to be infrared versus laser versus temperature sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro. Let's take a look. So I'm going to do a test with the Pixel 8 Pro temperature sensor, and we're going to compare it to a laser thermometer, and we're going to compare it to an infrared thermometer. This is actually used for actually telling you if you have a fever or not. So I'm curious to see what the differences are in these. So we'll start off with one we actually know that works properly. 97.9. We'll try the laser thermometer. 93. And then time to try the Pixel 8 Pro. 88.1. 87.9. I have it on default, so we'll change this. A couple different options here, but tell you what, we'll just change it to food and organic. Or I could put it on beverages and water. We'll use food and organic because you're a snack. Yep, 87.6. So nowhere near actually being accurate. So this is probably a good reason why they didn't actually certify this for use with taking temperatures, because this ain't good. So as you can see, the Pixel 8 Pro is nowhere near as accurate as an actual infrared thermometer, especially when it comes to taking temperature. There are different options that you can test it out on different surfaces and things like that. However, I have found it to be not accurate compared to other devices, and it gives you a lot of inconsistencies with the numbers. And it's really interesting that they would put something so unrefined into the phone. And I thought that maybe as the phone came out, maybe they were rushing to try and get it certified. I don't really know what's going on at Google Pixel headquarters. It seems if they don't do anything with it, it seems like a really trivial inclusion, and then also a giant waste of money. So maybe instead of putting this in there, they could have, I don't know, sold the phone for $50 cheaper. I don't know. I don't know what the answers are here, but I wanted to test this out. One, to see how accurate it actually is compared to a real thermometer. And two, I wanted to test it against something else very similar, like a laser-based thermometer. It's a tool that can be used not necessarily for diagnosing and determining whether you have a fever or not, but I just wanted to see generally how accurate it is, and it seems to be not very accurate at all, about 10 degrees under what the actual thermometer said. So who knows? I've been sitting around hoping Google would do something with it. The phone's been out close to 3 months now, and still basically nothing. And it's very interesting to me because it really has been kind of glossed over a lot with other reviews, a lot of other videos. Nobody really talks about it. I know I kind of laughingly discuss it in some of the videos that I make, but I don't get it. I have never, I don't think in my entire life, seen such a trivial, useless, no real talk about feature in a phone ever. Like you would think that you would see something like this in a cheap Chinese phone, or one of those all-in-one phones that just throws everything in the kitchen sink at it. Usually when Google puts something in a phone, it's usually pretty thoughtful, usually has a purpose, and this one just leaves me with my head scratching. So I don't even know if they can actually get this FDA certified, even if that's what they're going for. I don't know if they're going for that, but if they are going for that, I don't know how they could make this more accurate. And I don't know why in the world they're just yeah, pro feature, put a temperature sensor in it. It doesn't do anything. So anyway, we've done the official test. You've seen the results. I'm going to go ahead and shut up about this now. I was thinking about it. I thought, let me go ahead and test this out and see how good it actually is and share it with the community. And well, now we know the results. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. Also, we can discuss this. If you've got any thoughts on it, if you have any ideas on why they threw the sucker in there, then please go for it, and we can talk about it. But for now, that's all I got. As always, appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe, little notification bell, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys next time.